Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best olive oils for salads that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the BASSO 1904 Extra Virgin Olive Oil Gift Set. This is a fantastic option for those who love variety and want to explore the diverse flavor profiles of olive oils. The set includes 5 unique olive oils: Ravese, Nocellara, Ogliarola, Cortina, and Carolea. Each variety comes in a 100 milliliter bottle, making it perfect for tasting and experimenting with different culinary creations. The design of this gift set is charming and practical, with each bottle clearly labeled to showcase its origin and flavor profile. From the herbaceous and tomato-rich notes of Ravese to the artichoke and almond tones of Ogliarola, this set offers a journey through Italy's olive-growing regions. While the smaller bottle size is great for sampling, it may not be ideal for those looking for larger quantities for everyday use. Performance-wise, these oils shine as finishing oils, adding a unique depth of flavor to salads, bread dips, and even simple pasta dishes. However, given the premium nature of the set, the price per ounce may be higher than single-origin or everyday use olive oils. This makes the BASSO 1904 gift set ideal for special occasions or as a thoughtful gift for food enthusiasts. Pros include the variety and quality of oils, while cons might be the smaller bottle size and higher cost for regular use. Coming in at number 4, we have the BASSO 1904 Lemon Infused Extra Virgin Olive Oil. If you love a citrusy twist in your salads, this oil is a must-try. Infused with fresh lemon zest, it combines the richness of high-quality olive oil with a bright, tangy flavor. The 8.5-liter-ounce bottle is compact and stylish, making it a lovely addition to your kitchen. In terms of design and build quality, the bottle is sturdy and features a secure cap to prevent leaks. The infusion process ensures that the lemon flavor is well-balanced, complementing the olive oil's natural richness without overpowering it. This oil is particularly versatile. It's not just for salads. You can use it for drizzling over grilled vegetables, marinating seafood, or even as a dipping oil with crusty bread. While the flavor is exquisite, the relatively small size of the bottle and its niche flavor profile might not make it the best choice for everyday use. It's better suited for those who enjoy experimenting with unique flavors or want an oil that can elevate specific recipes. Pros include the vibrant lemon flavor and versatility, while cons are the smaller size and potential limited appeal for those who prefer traditional olive oil flavors. At number 3, we have the Graza Drizzle Extra Virgin Olive Oil. This finishing oil is crafted from single-origin Picual olives harvested in Jaén, Spain, and it's all about freshness and punchy flavor. The high polyphenol content ensures a robust and peppery taste, which makes it perfect for drizzling over salads, soups, or even desserts like ice cream. The packaging deserves special mention. The 16.9 liters of refill can is opaque and nitrogen-sealed, preserving the oil's freshness by protecting it from light and oxygen. The design is not only functional but also eco-conscious, as it encourages you to refill your existing squeeze bottle rather than buying a new one. However, you'll need a funnel for transferring the oil, which might be a minor inconvenience for some users. In terms of performance, the Graza Drizzle excels as a finishing oil. Its bold flavor profile can transform even the simplest dishes into gourmet creations. However, it's not ideal for cooking at high heat given its specialized nature. This oil is best suited for foodies who appreciate bold, fresh flavors and are willing to invest in a premium finishing oil. Pros include the vibrant flavor and thoughtful packaging, while cons are the need for a separate squeeze bottle and its limited use as a finishing oil. Taking the second spot on our list is the Pompeian Robust Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Known for its bold and full-bodied flavor, this oil is perfect for those who enjoy a stronger olive taste in their salads and marinades. Sourced from trusted farmers and first cold-pressed, it boasts a nutrient-rich profile with polyphenols that contribute to both flavor and health benefits. With a generous 48-liter-ounce bottle, This oil is designed for everyday use. The packaging is straightforward and functional, with a sturdy plastic bottle that's easy to handle. While it may not have the artisanal charm of a tin or glass bottle, it more than makes up for it with its practicality and affordability. In terms of performance, the robust flavor of this oil shines in hearty dishes like pasta and roasted vegetables, but it's equally delightful in salad dressings. Its affordability and large size make it an excellent choice for families or those who use olive oil frequently. However, the plastic packaging may not be as appealing to those looking for premium presentation. Pros include its bold flavor and value for money, while cons are the less premium packaging and slightly overpowering taste for those who prefer milder oils. Finally, at the top of our list, we have the Partanna Robust Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Made from 100% Castelvetrano olives harvested in Sicily, this is a monovarietal oil that delivers exceptional quality and flavor. The buttery richness is perfectly balanced by a light, peppery finish, making it a star in any dish, from simple salads to gourmet recipes. The design of the 16.9-liter olive tin is both elegant and practical. The colored tin not only adds to its premium appeal, but also protects the oil from light and oxidation, ensuring maximum freshness. The fact that the olives are cold-pressed within hours of harvesting speaks volumes about the level of care and craftsmanship that goes into every drop. When it comes to performance, the Partanna oil is versatile and enhances the flavor of any dish it touches. Whether you're drizzling it over a caprese salad or using it to finish a bowl of soup, its distinct flavor profile elevates your culinary creations. While the smaller size may not be suitable for heavy use, the quality and flavor make it worth every penny. Pros include its exceptional taste, premium packaging, and artisanal quality. Cons are the smaller quantity and higher price point compared to larger everyday use oils. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.